Hey guys, welcome back to Pig Farming Jamaica 876. We put a pig in for service yesterday, guys. I'm not sure if he took service or if she took service, but she's in from yesterday. I don't know what happened. In there is real messy, but let me just hope that he serviced her. These lovely piglets outside enjoying the sun as always. They're so fat and nice, guys. Also, guys, we are starting a new construction. Alright, guys, so we're going to be adding 3 more pens to the pens that we have already. The pen over the wall pen that you guys are seeing over on that side, it is not ours, guys, so we are just going to start ours now. As I said, we're going to add 3 apartments, so you guys will see more of it in an upcoming video. But so far, guys, the guys started off yesterday. Hopefully when I get back to you guys will see a lot more progress. Alright, guys, also we found a dead piglet in this pen. I think it belongs to this pen over here, because she did have some real shaky looking piglets.
Down to 25.
I hope you guys can see them up there clearly. These ones are the best looking piglets we have so far as regards to their, oh my god, OMG guys, I'm not sure if you can see that one with the little limp on his leg. It's a male. Oh my god, what, it's so big. Yeah guys, apart from that, we're probably gonna have to slit the boil and let what's inside of it run out, or we're gonna have to let it burst on its own. Looking really lovely. I think one piglet over here doesn't belong to this mother, but yeah, those are them. They're looking really nice, guys. Like whenever we have Duroc piglets on the farm, they look really exceptional. So as regards to piglets, Duroc piglets for me is the best looking piglets. Alright guys, so we have some half spoiled uncooked rice that we take on the farm. So we're gonna cook it and give to the pigs. Comment down below guys if you give your pigs like rice and all those stuff, if you cook it, or so I know some persons look about cornmeal, or just comment down below if you give your pigs other stuff apart from bag feeding. Alright guys, so we are gonna be cooking some rice for the pig. Not much, just a few, maybe about 3 pounds. That's the rice. Oops. Then to tea man, that's why. We're going back to cleaning the pens now. Alright, so I'm gonna leave her here to finish. Guys, I'm also outside and I realized that we have this male piglet. As you can see, one of his testicles are bigger than one compared to the others. Like it's a male right there, and he's normal, but this one is really abnormal, guys. And definitely probably not a good service brand for those of who want to buy in the future. But yeah, we have this sort of puny one among them. Yeah, probably a few of them are gonna die. We did them iron shot a few days ago, but they're still looking puny. Not sure what happened there. We had 26 piglets on the farm. One died today, so we now have 25, and we have this little puny one probably gonna die in a few days. So yeah, look at you guys say would have piglets. No, she have at least 1 month and 1 week to go before she gave birth. My hopes are high on her. I say that she'll probably have about 13 the least. I don't know, it can be different because the first time she had piglets was 8, but it's not impossible if she have a 10 or whatever, even though she's looking really fat and big and looking like she's gonna drop anytime soon. But no, she's like a fat big pig. I like her. We call her Mindy. Yeah, and that's her. She's actually the biggest sow that we have on the farm right now. Real big, real fat, real sexy. Alright, so back to over here. As I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, this sow didn't take brand. She's not in heat, guys. Put her in the pen so that she go in heat to have piglet, because it's been a few months now that all her piglets are weaned. So I want to get her back on the breeding track. And I think I told you guys the reason why we haven't killed her yet, because we was going to kill her, but because she produced good piglets, her piglets are always looking fat, so we said we're going to keep her for that purpose until maybe a few more years down the line before we finally killed her. But yeah guys, we're still cleaning because it's just 2 of us today. I mean, it's just Ryan and today. We have a lot of work. Alright guys, so we are down to the second to last pen. It's a lot of dust, guys, so we haven't swept this one out for a couple of weeks. Alright, so we have to use grass to distract them a bit, guys. I know they're gonna be walking around in the pen trying to mess with Ryan, so we always give them some wild grass whenever we are cleaning their pens, just to keep them busy. Exactly what I'm talking about. Come. Alright. I just really love her piglets. I can't stop talking about how much they're looking amazing. Once the rice is finished cooked, then I will come back to you guys. Alright guys, so the rice is almost done cooked. Let's look over there, the piglets are laying down, just enjoying some cool breeze outside. So I'm gonna get myself ready now I'm gonna fill up these buckets. We will be having a detailed video on what amount of feed we give the pigs in a day, and all that information about feeding pigs coming up in our next video, or probably it will drop before this one. I'm not sure yet, but whenever you see it, you guys will see it. So yeah, let me just fill up all these black buckets with water, and yeah. Guys, what time is it? Like, how disgusting. Just look at this store right here. Even the block she's trying to eat. How disgusting are you? Alright guys, so right here we are just mixing up the rice that we cooked with some back feeding to feed all the girls that we have. This way helps us to save some back feeding, because we normally use X amount of feeding to feed them per day. As I said, you guys can watch the video on that to find out what amount of feeding we use to feed our pigs per day. Whenever we use extra stuff like this rice here, we save back feeding. Alright guys, so it has been a long day, a very long video. If you watch it this far, don't forget to like, share, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so. I don't know why they are still sounding like this and they just had feeding. Regardless, thanks for watching.